Aimcraft at the moment is an aviation company. We deliver certified parts. These are non-structural parts. These are made out of the polymers. Yeah? But we are the company operating in 7 locations worldwide already. Yeah? Right. So we are in Europe, we are in Asia, we are in US. So from that point of view, the global certificate clearly validates our production systems, the quality control. So we clearly demonstrate whatever we do that meets international standards.
Yeah. There's no question, was it made at this facility, at that facility? The certification is across, you know that you've got that quality, and there's just no questions beyond that.
Exactly, and this is super important at the moment when in aviation the supply chains are broken. Yeah. So at the moment we can demonstrate wherever we are manufacturing, this is the same process, this is the same quality, and we are being able to deliver those parts.
Yeah, that's fantastic.